Hello everyone, you are watching sqadia.com and today our lecture topic is the autonomic nervous system and visceral reflexes. We are on the fourth section of our topic, that is the autonomic effects on body. There are two basic components of the autonomic nervous system, the sympathetic and the parasympathetic. In this section, we will be discussing what are the effects of parasympathetic nervous system on our body and what are the effects of sympathetic nervous system on our body. So autonomic effects on body are the autonomic nervous system along with the endocrine system maintains body homeostasis. Although there are two different ways of doing it, the endocrine system is a bit slow, but compared to autonomic system, has a quick response to changes which are happening in our body. The autonomic nervous system functions for most part at the subconscious level. For example, we don't need to instruct our heart to beat fast or beat slow. It happens all the time. We don't need to instruct our pupils to constrict or to dilate because they dilate or constrict depending upon what kind of impulses are coming. We are not aware, for example, that our pupils are dilating or that our arteries are constricting. The various activities of autonomic and endocrine system integrated within the hypothalamus, which is actually the master planner, which is controlling most of the part of the endocrine as well as the autonomic nervous system. So this is example what is the part of what does actually the sympathetic nervous system do it to you. For example, there's a bull which is behind you and it can kill you, so you want to run away from it. Now to that fight or flight mechanism, you need sympathetic part of the nervous system. The more blood will be going towards your muscles, less blood will be going to the skin and your soft tissues and other intestines. Your heart rate would increase, your BP would increase, your pupils would dilate so that you can think clearly. More blood will be flowing towards the brain so that you can make the judgment thing and everything more clearly and easily and quickly, and you can avoid the danger which is coming at you. Now this is an example of a parasympathetic nervous system. If you have taken a very good heavy meal and now you're relaxing on a sofa, at this time you need to conserve energy. Body needs to take in and digest that, and at this time the parasympathetic nervous system would be in play. And the blood flow towards the intestines would be increased, glandular activity would be increased, heart rate would be slowed down, BP would decrease, pupils would constrict, because you do not need more light to go into your eyes so that you can see clearly, and blood flow towards the muscle and the peripheries will reduce, and the blood flow towards the intestine would increase. Similarly, blood may not be pumped so much towards the muscle in the brain because at this time the function is more of the intestine has to function at more rapid pace so that the food can be digested rather than brain and muscles are actually running away from that bull. So this is the table which compares the parasympathetic versus the sympathetic nervous system. So what does the sympathetic nervous system? It prepares you for fight or flight mechanism. So it increases heart rate, raises blood pressure, diverts blood flow to working muscle, releases sugars, fat into bloodstream. Basically, there is increased glycogenolysis, increased glycogen breakdown, so that the blood increased hyperglycemia can occur, so that the body can utilize more glucose, muscles and they can generate more ATP. Inhibits digestion, reduces appetite, and dilates pupil. While in case of parasympathetic nervous system, it rests and digests. This is the formula for the parasympathetic system, that it actually helps you to conserve energy. It slows down heart rate, decreases BP, dilates blood vessels, promotes energy storage, stimulates digestion, increases appetite, and constricts pupil. By this, we have come to the end of the fourth section of the autonomic nervous system. We have discussed what are the effects of parasympathetic on our body, that is the rest and the digest, or on the what are the effects of sympathetic nervous system, that it prepares you for fight or flight mechanism in our body. Thank you very much. Keep watching sqadia.com.